Spherical roller bearings are designed to take heavy radial and axial loads and are capable of accommodating misalignment. SKF invented the spherical roller bearing, and we have been improving them ever since. Improvements include symmetric rollers, a guide ring, the E-design with increased load rating, and a standard range of sealed bearings. The introduction of SKF Explorer significantly improved bearing service life. A new patented heat treatment of the bearing rings results in a higher degree of wear resistance, making bearings last longer in contaminated environments and in poor lubrication conditions. SKF spherical roller bearings have a floating guide ring instead of a fixed central flange on the inner ring, and the rollers are self-guiding to minimize friction. Our sealed bearings resist contamination, reduce lubricant use, and increase uptime. The range is the widest on the market. Self-aligning bearings enables use of standard SKF housings, decreasing cost for mounting and alignment. It can also save weight in many applications. The full potential of spherical roller bearings can be achieved by employing the self-aligning system in which a carb toroidal roller bearing is used as the non-locating bearing. The features of SKF spherical roller bearings show outstanding service life when compared to competitor bearings. SKF provides variants for specific application environments, such as bearings for vibratory applications for vibrating screens and road rollers, solid oil bearings. SKF spherical roller bearings, a product of more than 100 years of SKF knowledge engineering, last longer in real-world application and set the industry standard again.